Hello vegan adventurers, welcome to the exciting video from Samui Island, and today we're gonna be exploring the coastline with amazing drone footage. Let's get started! So here I swam around this rocky reef and I got to this little beach where I found these amazing rocky crevices were carved with the waves splashing here for millions of years. I didn't enjoy swimming in the sea of Koh Samui so much because the water was quite shallow here, with a lot of sharp corals and rocks, and also many seaweeds that make the swimming not so comfortable. Plus the snorkeling was not very enjoyable because the water is quite murky, which was totally different experience from what we remember in Phuket, where the water was much clearer. Alright, and here is the amazing drone footage of the coastline with a beautiful sunset in the background. So this beach where we are here right now, it's called Lipanoi Beach, but this part after the pier, it's kind of private and secluded with all these villas here. So the only way to access it is under the pier. So even though Thailand is considered more rich country in Southeast Asia because of tourism, there is still many parts that are not really developed. And there are some big differences in the wealth of people. Just a few hundred meters from these villas, there is a fisherman village. And if you go there, it just smells so terrible from the rotting fish. And there is just plastic everywhere and people just like living basically in a sewage. And over here you can see the lagoon where the fisherman village is. So from here it looks pretty deceiving, like it's a nice place to swim and enjoy the day. But once you're there, it just smells of sewage and a rotten fish. And there is just plastic trash everywhere. So this is like a dark side of Thailand. And over here I'm on another trail run in Koh Samui, and I'm enjoying one of these smaller mountain waterfalls. Alright adventurers, I hope you enjoyed this shorter, more relaxing vlog from Koh Samui. Stay tuned for more amazing adventures, and as always, stay healthy and stay adventurous.